Yo, what's up guys, I'm back again with a brand new tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to get modded version of Gardenscapes. This will basically give you unlimited coins and stars. You can use to purchase anything and don't worry, it's completely safe. I have a bunch of options right there such as free shopping, unlimited coins and stars and much more. The next step is grab your mobile device. I'm using Android today. Once you are on your device, make sure you already have Gardenscapes fully installed and fully updated. If you need to check, just go to the App Store or Google Play Store. Once that's done, the next step is open your favorite browser and in the search bar type is Gardenscapes++. The next step is press install button install. Once the loading is completed, Gardenscapes++ will be installed in your mobile device.